Hey guys, what's up? Hope you all are doing fine. So today's lesson I'm gonna learn is stop pleasing others always. Be true to yourself. What happens in this real world is that we try to impress every single person we meet on a daily basis. Or else I can quote it like that: we try to please each and every single person who is attached with us. And while doing this, we are just degrading our own lifestyle. If we want to grow in our life, we need to stop this hypocrisy. What does hypocrisy means here? Hypocrisy means that I am saying something to a certain person which I am not in reality. Or maybe I am saying something to please a person which is not coming from my heart. Now, the moment I start doing this, I am developing something that's leading sadness to my life. I'm always thinking about things which will please others, which will have a positive impact on my image in the society. But that does not help always. Ultimately, it leads to loneliness. If you are true to yourself, you'll see that there's nothing called fear, there's nothing called strange behavior, there's nothing called sadness, there's nothing called loneliness. You'll overcome all these negative traits if you are true to yourself. You don't have to please each and everyone at the cost of your happiness. No. You need to give a break. You need to think about yourself. What do you want? What will make you happy? And the moment you started thinking these things, you will see that you are happy. You have developed certain positivity inside you that will not be harmed by any negativity in the world. You stop pleasing each and every single person who is attached with you. Then you will see that your life is very simple. You are living your life without any obligations, without any stress. I'll give you a few examples on that. I came third in my college and I told my friends that I came first in my college, in my department. Now they'll ask for a party. Yes, I'll give them a party. But I'll not have the feeling of being a first or the topper of my college, as I know inside me that I haven't scored that much high to be the topper of the college. I told them to make a positive image of myself among my friends and relatives. That affects my brain, my mind. What it will lead to? Maybe one day I fail in my expectations. I just cannot tell them. I'll be running away from everyone in a fear that what will they think about me as I have raised the bar of myself. Life will become a misery. We need to stop these things if we want to live happily in life. If I'm telling people to develop a positive feeling inside them and I have strong negativity inside me, that's called hypocrisy. I will tell the people about the same which I have inside me. I'll true to myself. I'll be true to myself. I'll not please everyone. And definitely I'll tell the people what is true. And how do I know if that is true or not? I'll develop those traits inside me. And if I see positive results are coming, I'll tell the people about the same. That yes, develop these traits inside you, you'll find results. That's called being truthful to your voices. Trust me, these are the traits which nobody will tell you to develop inside you for becoming successful, for becoming rich in life. Now, richness in life doesn't always mean financially. Mentally stable and a healthy relationship is also a proof of richness. People who don't value others, people who don't value relationships, people who don't value good traits, people who don't value positivity are the ones you need to reduce in a life. If you are an introvert, I'd say that it's good for you. You don't have to deal with all the negative people in your life. Stop doing these things. See positive things inside others. You'll develop a positivity inside you. Stop being a hypocrite. So that's it for today. Till then, be kind to one another. Take care.